In this video, I want to share 3 warnings, things that you need to be aware of before jumping into the NFT world and spending money for nothing. The first warning is that the NFT market, just like the crypto market, is not regulated. There are many scammers selling NFTs for unrealistic high prices. For example, some can launch 10 similar NFTs that have no real value at a very high price. Let's say 500 Ethereums, which at the current moment would be around $1,250,000. The same guy can purchase 1 or 2 of these from another wallet, so the others can see the transaction on the blockchain, on the platform, and many will get interested thinking these NFTs are selling for millions. But what happened is the guy simply transferred from one wallet to another, just to bring attention to his NFTs. Warning number 2, the NFTs do not have high liquidity like the cryptocurrencies. For example, if you buy 1 Bitcoin, no matter if the price goes up or down, at any given moment you can sell it on an exchange, right? Whenever you decide to take the profit, you can press the sell button, confirm it, and sell it. If you need the cash, you can sell the crypto and get the fiat currencies in your bank account. Now, when you lock money up in NFT, there is no guarantee that you will be able to sell it immediately. In reality, it might take a few months or even years, especially if you request a higher price. So when you buy NFTs, you need to keep in mind that you may not be able to resell it whenever you need the money. And warning number 3, if you purchase an NFT, you may not be able to sell it at a higher price. You liked it, you found value in it, but for the others it might mean nothing. But this is where the course is very useful, because I will share with you how to choose the types of NFTs that are valuable and not just to you. And now that we have covered the warnings, we can get into the good stuff. The NFT world is truly amazing, interesting, and progressive. So let's jump in and see what these NFTs actually look like and which platforms you can use to buy NFTs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, I will be very grateful if you would click the like button and subscribe to the channel to support our academy, allowing us to continue recording educational videos. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.